Hi friend, welcome to Technology channel. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe me. In this video, I want to speak about the software for seeing the health of HDD drive. This software named SENTIal. Let's go to open it. SENTIal. Okay. On the overview, we have a performance. This tab is about the performance of your SSD or HDD drive or a kind of SSD like NVMe drive. The performance are excellent, and this about the health. You can measure the health by this software, SENTIal, and power on time. This hard disk Samsung SSD 870 EVO 500 GB have power on 228 days, 90 hours work. Estimate remaining lifetime 1000 days. And read and write that you can do on this hard disk is estimated to 2 terabytes. You can go and repeat this test. Click on it and wait to test it. On the left of software, you can see the health 100% and the temperature of this SSD drive 34 centigrade or centigrade. If you have a more hard disk, you can see under this hard disk. This part are about the partition. Here C drive and E drive. And all of information about the partition scheme and other information are available here. You can go on the E drive. Amount of free space and used space. In the person, 66% free space and used space 33. Okay, this software very helpful to measure the health of SSD or HDD or NVMe or external hard disk. You can see file, disk, view, report, and configuration. If you open the software, automatically measure the health of your hard disk. That's very useful. You can repeat the test, or if you have another hard disk, you can connect via SATA or NVMe port and see the health of your drive. That can help you to see the health of your hard disk. If you have a blue page or blue screen, you can test the hard disk by this software. This is a very useful software. You can go on this tab, disk management. This is a disk management of system about the creating partition, splitting, deleting, and extending your hard disk. Close this tab, and this is a device manager of system. Click on it, and you can see uninstalled or not installed your driver, and see a specification of system about the hard disk name and display adapter and other information about the system. You can go on this performance, total read, total write, and average read per day, and all of information about this hard disk. You can see the temperature, current temperature, average temperature, and maximum temperature of hard disk. You can go on the smart and see if your hard disk have a problem, bad sector, or other problem. You can see on this and on this page. Relocated sector count status OK, and all of information about this SSD drive you can see on Smart Feature. You can go on the Information tab, the interface of your SSD drive, and other information about the logical drive and other things you can see on this tab. And log tag and information tag and alert. You can see all of the information of your hard disk in this software. That's really useful. You can check all of this tab. Okay. And the more important tab or overview, the performance about the speed, read and write, or the health of hard disk. If your hard disk below 80% of health, you can change it and transfer your data to new hard disk. That's very helpful to protect your information and file. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that is useful for you. Please subscribe my channel and suggest my channel to your friends.